what?
No. Don't get your arm wet either. Or your face.
Okay, what's it reading?
Maybe go deeper.
I don't know. Is it reading? Does it have to stay still for a while?
Yeah, it needs to stay still for a minute. Because there's a bunch of crap on the ice that gets stirred up.
It's looking like the same. It's looking like 14 feet. Oh shoot. I got worms if anyone wants those. I'm gonna go put a pole with just a worm out on there.
Sounds good.
So we should watch those. We saw it got hit. That's good.
It's definitely pretty shallow.
Oh, you got hit?
When I saw it, came to the top. What do you have on?
White.
Oh, got a hit. Got one. Nice,
Nice, dude.
Baby.
Bada bing, bada boom, boys.
What is it?
Yeah, buddy.
What fish is it?
What's that, bro?
Is it a tiger or a splake?
It looks like a splake.
Oh, it's a splake, dude. Sweet,
Splake.
dude.
Got one. Get a picture real quick.
Oh, hit.
Nice. Now we'll
Got slammed.
Got one. Oh, this one feels
Oh,
good.
oh.
Nice.
Yeah, this one's fighting. Oh, we got off. Dang it, dude. That was a good one.
Dude, I just got slammed
That
too.
one hit way harder than the first one.
There's a bunch of fish down there, dude.
Dude, that was a good fish, too. I saw it swim past the hole 3 times.
Dude, got one.
Yeah, dude.
Probably the one that you just got for your...
Nice, dude.
dude.
Is that a tiger? Yeah. Oh, I'm getting hit.
Get a picture of that, dude.
I'm on.
Nice.
Oh, it's good. Woo-hoo.
Nice.
It's a splake, dude.
Is that your first one?
Yeah, first ever splake.
Let's get a pic of it, bro.
Oh, yeah. Oh, come on, chill, dude.
Nice, dude.
Come on, swim down, go. There each fish goes. Sweet.
Ooh, fish on.
On yours?
Outside.
Get him, bro. No, on rocks. Oh, you spit it?
Yeah. Full right now.
It is.
Yeah, it is.
You want me to catch it? Brock?
You can get that one.
Tom, you want it?
You got it.
Yep, I got him.
Nice. Dude, that's a
Ooh, that's a
pretty
better
one,
one.
dude. Dude, everyone was saying they were killing it with perch and crappie. Oh, got one. Dude,
Nice.
feels like a good one.
Dude, that a boy.
See him.
So you're just holding
Yeah,
the
that's-
line, so you know
Yeah,
when it's hitting.
exactly.
Do you like my rod, Jared?
Is this yours?
Yeah,
I
it's
like
nice.
how it bends.
Yeah, dude. You want to use it?
No, you can go. You got it.
that's
Nice,
really
dude.
good. Oh, that's a beaut. Did that still
Ooh, saw it.
Is it hitting it?
Dude.
You got it?
Oh, come on, you
Got
sucker.
off.
So,
Okay, come over to my side now. I got a juicy worm for you. You watched it, eat it?
that's so
I
cool.
can't see down my home. You have to be like right over the top.
Yeah,
of
you
that.
gotta
Yeah, you kind of do.
Oh, I got a fish, dude. Yeah.
Oh, nice. It's just been on
Yeah.
Maybe it's because it was in the ice.
You want a picture?
Yeah, this one's good.
There we go.
Hold on 1 second. Brock, maybe this is yours.
It's been on there the whole time.
I think so. Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna let this one
You
go.
want to keep 2 or 3?
This one.
Kept 2 so far.
Yeah, we should probably keep this one because
Yeah, keep that one.
he ate the hook.
Dude,
Ow.
you're in good
I was
shape.
excited.
I thought I was in good shape.
Oh, that was a big take, dude. Brock's got one. Is he on?
You see him?
Yeah, Brock's on.
I got one.
Sweet, dude.
I got off.
Oh, drop it down. Drop it down. He might eat it.
Come over to the orange one. Come over to the orange one, buddy.
You gotta set him, Brock.
Oh, got one. What? That was mine. Oh, he
Is he
got
on?
hooked on the ice.
Is he still on though?
I don't know. It's like hooked on the ice.
Maybe use a reel.
Ah! You got off.
Come to me.
You gotta use a reel, Jared.
I was going to, but I just pulled the other ones in like that.
We ended off the day with 6 splake, 1 tiger. Most of our fish were in the first like hour and a half we dropped down, and then we sat there for about like 2 more hours, and we got a few hits but didn't hook up. So it got really slow after we first got there, and then it started snowing like crazy. So we decided to get out of there, but it was a good day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.